Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. That most honored human you should all go see. The vows of Buddhas of all times are told under the enlightenment tree. All appear in an instant. Hurry to the Buddha's spot. Vairocana's great ocean of knowledge shines from his face for all to see. Now, awaiting the gathering of the masses, he is about to speak. Go see him and hear what he says. At that time, all the masses in the oceans of worlds in the 10 directions, awakened by the Buddha's light, all went to Vairocana Buddha's place and made offerings. For example, to the east of this flower bank array ocean of worlds, there is an ocean of worlds called a ray of lotuses of pure light. Among its world systems is a land called diamond mine of jewel necklaces. The Buddha there was called Infinite King, awakening space with the water of truth. Among that Buddha's vast congregation was a great enlightening being, named Lotus Banner contemplating the supreme teaching, who came to the Buddha with a group of enlightening beings, as numerous as atoms in an ocean of worlds. Each produced 10 kinds of clouds of forms of enlightening beings, filling space and not dissolving. They also manifested 10 kinds of clouds of jewel mountains, 10 kinds of clouds of spheres of sunlight, 10 kinds of clouds of jewel flower ornaments, 10 kinds of clouds of music containing all tones, 10 kinds of clouds of powder incense trees, 10 kinds of clouds of myriad forms of perfume and incense, and 10 kinds of clouds of trees of all kinds of fragrances. Clouds of offerings such as these, as many as atoms in an ocean of worlds, filled all of space, not dispersing. Having caused these clouds to appear, the enlightening beings bowed to the Buddha and offered them to him. They then magically produced in the eastern quarter lion seats of banks of lights of various flowers, and sat cross-legged on those seats. South of this flower bank ocean of worlds is an ocean of worlds called Mine of Ornaments of Radiance of Moons made of all jewels. Among its world systems is a land called a ray of boundless light spheres.